Well, hi, good morning, Miss. My name is Jonathan Yukita with ID I190175534 from the ITM 3502. This is my presentation for the group assignment modern library management system. This our group system consists some useful features like the credit card payment, user login, admin login, and so on. So now I will explain my part, which is the relational schema and the normalization. Our group has have 10 tables, which is the member info with the member ID as the primary key, the book details with the book ID as the primary key, order info with order ID as the primary key, supplier info with the supplier ID as the primary key, and the branch info as the branch ID as the primary key, borrow book record as the borrow book ID as the primary key. We have also order info with the order ID as the primary key, loan info with the loan ID as the primary key, payment info with the payment ID as the primary key, and the stock details with the stock ID as the primary key. And I already do some normalization because not every table in this relational schema is already on the third normal form, which I already normalized to the third normal form. Our system has some interface. This is the interface of the menu, which the user can choose want to do the student login or the staff login. So this is the member information page, which they can search for the member ID, and the system will show the member ID, member first name, member last name, member phone number, member registration date, and member expiration date. This is the book ID, which can show the ISBN, acquired date, title, category of the book edition, the book price, the publisher of the book, and the year of publication. This is the author ID. We'll show the author ID, the book ID, which the author written, and the author first name and author last name. This is the branch information of the library, which is the branch ID, branch name, and the book ID. This is the borrow book record, which consists of the book ID, the borrower ID, the member ID, the date that the borrower borrowed the book, and the target date, which is the return date of the book. This is the loan ID, which consists of the loan ID, borrower ID, the fine because of the late return of the book, and the acquired date. And this is the stock details, which consists of the stock ID, book ID, quantity available, and the quantity level. So this is the our group database design, which consists of 10 tables. The first table is the order info. This is the order info that are in our group database. So, and the second one is the book details. This is the book details. And the third table is the book loan. This is our book loan tables. And the fourth one is the borrowed book record, like this. It shows the borrow book ID, member ID, borrowed date, and the target date, which is the return date of the book. The fifth one is the branch info, like this, the branch ID, the branch name, the name of the library, with where the book is. And then the sixth table is the member info, consists of member ID, member first name, member last name, member phone number, member registration date, and the expiration date. And the seventh is the order info, which is the order ID, member ID, book ID, and acquired date. This is some of our database design table, and now I will answer the query A9 part A. This is the answer for it. And this is the answer for query A9 part B. This is the answer for query A10. This is the answer for query A11. And this is the answer for query A12. We will make the future enhancement to make sure that all the data is in the library system is updated and no more data redundancies in the system. That's all from me. Thank you.